In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share the OneDrive link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a shareable link for any file or folder in your OneDrive and send it to anyone you choose with the right permissions. First, open your web browser and head to the Microsoft OneDrive homepage. This is where you can access your personal cloud storage. If you're not already signed in, look for the Sign In button and click it. Sign in with your Microsoft account to continue. If you have both personal and work accounts, make sure you're using the one that holds the file you want to share. Once you're in, go to My Files. This is the main library where all your folders and documents live. Take a moment to organize if needed because sharing the right item starts with selecting the right location. Now find the file or folder you want to share and select it to highlight it. You can click once to select or use the checkbox that appears when you hover. If you're on a touch device, a long press works too. Selecting is important because it tells OneDrive exactly which item you're working with. With your item highlighted, look for the Share option. You'll usually see it at the top toolbar, but you can also right-click the item and choose Share from the menu. This opens the sharing panel where you control access and permissions. Before copying the link, check the link settings. You can usually choose whether anyone with the link can view or whether only specific people can open it. You can also decide if recipients can edit or just view. For sensitive content, restrict access to specific people, turn off editing, and consider adding an expiration date if available. These settings help you keep control over who sees your content and what they can do with it. When the settings look good, click Copy Link. OneDrive will generate a link based on your choices and place it on your clipboard. You'll see a confirmation that the link is ready. Now you can paste the link into an email, chat message, or document. If someone says they can't open it, revisit the Share panel and adjust the permissions. If you only gave access to specific people, make sure their addresses match the ones you intended. For large folders or collaborative work, allowing edit access can be helpful, but for one-way sharing, view only is safer. That's it. You opened OneDrive, signed in, went to My Files, selected the item, clicked Share, and copied the link. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.